Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, look for the option called sounds and vibration, and after you find it, tap on it to enter. And here you should see three types of volume. We have ringtone, alarm volume rather, and workout broadcast or broadcasts. First, let's tap on ringtone, and here we can adjust the volume for the ringtones on our watch. You can use the crown or the slider. And once you adjust the volume, you can swipe right to go back to sounds and vibration. Then we can tap on alarm volume, so we can adjust the volume for the alarm clock. And last one is the workout broadcasts. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.